So, I was chopping some firewood and found myself a witchetty grub, so there's no point letting good food go to waste, eh? Stick them in there, let him fry up a bit. Back in a second. Righto, that should just about be done, I reckon. Doesn't take long, only take a minute or so. Fry up properly. Do you want to see me eating it, or do you not want to see me eating it? That's the big question. What should I do? No, I'm not going to show me eating it because I haven't got any teeth to show you me eating it. Righto, there it is. Now I'm eating it. Hang on. Now I'm eating it. Nom nom. Honestly, they do taste really good. Hey Bear, what are you looking at?